Starting off with a little unfortunate news, Jamaican resident Debian James went to the States and forked out US $5,000, Jamaican $667,761 for her derriere implants. Yes, her bottom. However, since then has been experiencing nothing short of a nightmare, as her body is now deteriorating. A year after doing the procedure, she started to experience unbearable pain in her lower back. After visits to the local doctors, she decided to go back to the States and go to the doctor who did the implant to find out what was wrong, where she was instructed to remove all of the silicone, costing US $3,000. Sadly, some of it was embedded in her flesh. Yeah, it go in, it's seeping. According to James, she's been in pain ever since and constantly on antibiotics. Every time I shower, and this is her quote, it seems like my skin is tearing apart. I'm constantly on pills. The life they create in the media is not always true. I am no proof of that. This is true. I would never encourage anyone to do it. Okay, let's just go straight to Dwayne, because he looks like he has a lot to talk about where this is concerned. Come, you've been doing this for the whole time since I'm reading, so tell me. Just talk, because
she said it perfectly. What you see on TV isn't always what's real. You don't need no butt implants, you don't need no breast implants, because them things are not natural. If you don't have it, you just don't have it.
Or you could squat.
If you don't want to squat, just do without it. And my mother always tell me, no, if you don't have it, like, want it, can't get it, you want something like that.
No, but squat.
No, yeah, but Sakina, what you need for go spend so much money? A house money that, you know, $8,000 she spent on our
house money, I can't buy a house.
No, but you know you can put that towards the house, buy some cement and
things. Buy a second that
you can pay down and thing. You can pay down and thing, right?
Deposit.
But, no man, it's rough, man. And I've seen cases in Brazil, all over the world. So
yeah, that's been happening quite a bit lately. A lot, all over the place. But my thing is, and I understand what you're saying, a lot of people have confidence issues, self-esteem issues, and they believe that these things will make it better for them. And I'm telling you straight off the bat, it's not. You just have to learn how to. But right, here's the thing, though. Right? Here's the thing. Where do you draw the line? Because okay, some people might say if you have a gap in your teeth and you're not comfortable with the gap and you put braces on, it's equivalent to you going, which I did. It's equivalent to you going and getting implants because you don't have boobs.
False.
Yeah?
It's not the same. No.
Yeah?
No.
No, man.
No, man. It does.
It's not the same.
No, to fix
fixing something on yourself is not the same as putting something in yourself.
Fixing your natural.
Yes, my natural teeth are fixing it.
Not implanting.
So suppose I suck out fat from right here and put it in yourself. Huh? Them do that.
Them do that?
Yeah. All right, next up.
Well.
Because my fat is natural fat. Well. So what? That abnormal too? That wrong? Think about it. I'm just asking. I'm not saying I'd do it because I won't. I'm afraid of them someday.
Well, Usain St. Leo Bolt
scored. Him name come with something behind it. Say it again.
Usain St. Leo Bolt scored twice. Twice, you know, not once, not 3 times, but twice. In his first start for the Central Coast Mariners in an A-League trial match yesterday, before being substituted with about 15 minutes to go. Bolt is trying to secure a place with the Mariners for this season, which begins for the Mariners on October 21st against the Brisbane Roar. All right, so when I saw the video, the first video, my brethren them sent it to me and I say, yo, because before people have discussions, say Bolt can't play football, this and that, and I don't care if him can't play football. The man is the best athlete of all time and he wants to try something new. And it's in our nature as Jamaicans to try something new because that's how we grow. Usain Bolt, him can do whatever he wants. He have more goals this season than Alexis Sanchez.
Yeah.
And for them multi-million paid ballers. So nobody can tell me don't. Bolt a big baller. It no matter which league.
You guys should see the studio in here. The men are jumping up and down like insane.
You saw the video? I'm sure you saw it. Yeah, man. World's best. World's best.
He's awesome. Awesome.
Them if you carry him come to Jamaica, I'll fill the stadium.
All right, guys. Well, there you go. That's it. That's our trending topic. Ready?
Woo. Catch you.
You saying big up yourself.